Hey guys, just like I've said that I'm gonna post a video of my mom cooking. So my mom came visiting and I told her that I was gonna put her on a live video for her to cook, and she was like, no, it's better I shoot a video. And my elder sister, after watching it, she was asking my mom if my mom was actually doing a project defense. My mom was like, what do you mean? My mom is a teacher, my dad is also a teacher. They've been lecturers for years. My dad retired as a lecturer. So yeah, hence the reason why I am the way I am, and we are all the way we are. God bless them for me. So my mom is showing us a very beautiful way of making fried rice, the grandma's recipe. My mom is a grandmother already. You know, she has like three adorable grandchildren. It's a blessing from God. So I apologize that I cannot use the original sound of this video because there's a background music. Yeah, so Hefziba had to show herself. You know, now grandma is in the kitchen. Ziba want to feature in this video. If not, I don't know what is even gonna happen. So my mom is making the sweet but I had to, you know, come in and put in my natural spices. Come on, cooking without the natural spices. Hello. My mom was like, what is that? I say it's the natural spice. So over to the rice now. What she did was to put salt, you know, then I boiled water by the side. So here she was like, am I not going to do anything? I said, no, you are going to do everything from start to finish. It's your recipe. So we are back here. I put on, you know, the heat sauce for her. We were about to use this vegetable oil. She was like, there is another vegetable oil in the oven. Why do you want to use this one? I was like, whoa, I forgot. Oh yeah, let's carry the vegetable oil that was out before. And this reminds me of the time when I was at home, okay? My mom doesn't like us using vegetable oil and, you know, keeping it halfway, everything half. She doesn't like it. So when you start using, you must make sure whether you fry meat or fish with it, make sure you cook with it before you carry a fresh vegetable oil to cook. And the principle stands even now. So she came all the way to Jos, and the weather is so cold for her. So that's the reason why my mom is carrying her shawl everywhere, covering herself because of the cold. She's not used to the cold. Yeah, because literally where I grew up is not as cold as Jos. So we're pouring in the boiling water. Of course, we have to help grandma in the kitchen. I'm not gonna leave her all to herself. You know, I was helping her out in case she needs help, because I know she's definitely gonna need my help in one way or the other. And you know, when mothers cook, OMG, the taste is just different. The way they do, I don't even know how they do it. They don't used to do all these method that we used to do, but their own stand, like the taste is just spot on. And guys, I'm super excited that my mom came and made this delicious delicacy. Thank you so much guys for watching. I just had to update you and show you because it's been a while I tasted my mother's food. So tasting her food right now was just, oh my god, you know, it was all yummy, and I was super excited and grateful to God, you know, to be able to experience this. My mom cooking for me in my home is such a blessing. May God bless her, give her long life and good health. Subscribe. Bye.